Welcome to my another resin video. Today I tried making this 2-in-1 half-heart keychain. One side is transparent sparkly glitter and other side is deep maroon. I started by mixing 15 ml of resin with 5 ml of hardener. I make sure to stir it slowly to avoid bubbles. Then I split the mix into 2 cups. In this one I added glitter for the clear side, and the other side I added maroon mica powder for the bold side. I poured both sides into the mold and waited for its cure. Wait for the final result. The glitter catches so light, so well, and the maroon looks so rich. I hope you guys like this video. If you enjoy, please like, share and comment below. And you wanted something customized, just drop a DM in the comments